Tell me.
Hey guys, I'm here with Ronan, Superboy.
Hello, it's me. And yeah, you know me, Ronan Superboy.
That's
By
right.
the way, I'm going to change my name soon because I'm not fully a boy, really. I'm going to change my name to Ronan Mills soon. And, or maybe, like, after I hit to 100K. And you guys know this guy, Matty Card 85. I also do go animate. I also do some tours and videos for you guys, because you guys want to see all about New York if you are tourists.
Okay.
And the MTA, like Go Supertoe. I mean, I think you guys know Go Supertoe as well.
Yeah.
And,
So go subscribe to my channel, his channel, and also Go Supertoe's channel as
I'm
well.
almost at 100K
Go.
subscribers, baby.
Interesting.
I'm almost at 100K, and I get the silver.
Okay. So yeah, I think that's all for now. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow at school.
Yep, I'll see you tomorrow. So
See you.
peace.
Peace out. That's right. Here's my Metro card. So yeah, basically, this is how I swipe it. It's like, so that's how I do it. And here's a little quick look at my Metro card. So yeah, just have to put that away. I'm going downstairs now. Train right here, R160.
The next stop is 33rd.
R160A.
Closing doors, please.
The F local train. The next stop is 34th Street, Herald Square.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
A lot of people are getting off this train. Let's see. I guess I might still talk, but only the camera lights. Space out a little bit, but I'm on a crowded train. Alright guys, we're gonna get off now, so yeah. I didn't cut anyway, but yeah, it's just off.
This is eastbound F local train. The next stop is 42nd Street, Friday Park.
Now I gotta walk down the platform in order to get to the other train. And I'm instead of just gonna run because I don't even care. I gotta get to where I need to be. The platform's pretty big. But here's a little last look at my former
This is a Queensbound and Express train. The next stop is Times Square, 42nd Street.